Yes, sir. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, we don't like to waste nobody's time. But before we do that, let's get this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. So, y'all already know I'm hitting y'all with this banger today. And just because I'm giving y'all this hot stock, this stock could potentially go parabolic. But that don't mean go and put your rent money, all your bill money. Don't go and do that. Don't go and put all your bread on this stock just because. You feel me? All the criteria. When I say a stock going parabolic, that mean all the criteria lining up. That mean that it got massive volume, it got catalysts. That mean the charts adding up, it's breaking support levels and getting new resistance. It's all the criteria, all my criteria, all my homework that I did, it all lines up for it to be a stock that's about to go parabolic. And just because I say it's about to go parabolic, that don't mean 100% that it's going to go. This just high 90% chance that it could go parabolic. So let's look. Stock I got for y'all is ticker symbol ONTX. That's Onconava Therapeutics. Right now, at this time of this recording, it was trading at $1.79, $1.80. It bust through that, reached like it touched $1.88, and now it's pulling back. You remember what I told y'all? And I was in, I'll show y'all my position. I was in from $1.71 and I rode it to $1.88. I sold for like a $300 gain. I forgot what it was. I have it on the screen, but I sold for that gain. And now I'm waiting on the pullback, as y'all should, and I'm waiting to get back in on this pullback. Whenever it pull back, I'm gonna get in, and I plan to ride this one on out at $2-3 plus. You feel me? So let's check it out, y'all. The day we opened up at $1.65, we reached a high of 182. The low was 150. The 52-week high was 187. We reached that today. We touched that today, and we can possibly touch it again and break straight through it. The 52-week low was 19 cents. Okay, y'all. So boom, this is what I want to show y'all on the chart. I want to help y'all, show y'all how to play this. I'm gonna show y'all where to get in at, and when you get in, I'm gonna show y'all where to get out at. Is you can get out or wherever you want to get out once you go green. Once you're in the profits, take profits whenever you're comfortable. You're the executive. But I want to help y'all on the downside the minute y'all risk. So that's why I pulled up this on the chart. As you see, we got ONTX at 178. And right here on the chart, you see a yellow line going straight through. Right there where I drew that yellow line, that's where the support at for y'all. That's where the support at for us. So this stock is supported heavily at $1.50 range, $1.50, $1.51. So basically what I'm telling you is once you get in on this stock at a pullback, say when it pulled back, it's at 179, say if it pulled all the way back to $1.65, you start getting in at 168, it pulled back to 160, you get in a little more. And say if you finish loading the boat at 158 or 157, it really don't matter. Anywhere between them numbers will be a good entry point. So, but say if it pull all the way back to 150, and then when it get to 150, say if it break it at 149, we out of there. We out of there. We taking that small loss. We taking that 10 cents loss. That's the point of miniature risk. That means you took a 10 cents loss for something that you was gonna get 100% gain on. Cause this can go from $1.60 to $3.20. It's a home run, 100% winner if it do what we need to do. But if it don't, we get out if it break past that 150. Right here with that line that drawing through, you see every time we came down there to support that 150 area, we held it, we held it, we held it. We didn't break through it. So if we do break through it, we in trouble. We need to exit. You feel me? So that's what I want to show y'all. Now, let's check out I just want to run this by y'all to let y'all know that Onconava, they announced after the market had closed on Tuesday that it had raised $28.7 million on the stock offering. So it raised a whole bunch of cash during the stock offering on Tuesday. And they're going to use that cash. Now they got a lot of cash on hand, and they're going to use that to fund this cancer treatment development programs. So it got a cancer treatment development program that is going to use all the money that it raised on Tuesday to fund that. Okay, so that's good, y'all. And now they got a couple reasons in the article on why they say ticker symbol ONTX went off like it did. Let's read it, y'all. Balance sheet. ONTX announced the closing of an offering yesterday that shores up one heck of a balance sheet. Presentation. The company is also taking part in the 2021 Bio CEO Investor Digital Conference. Investors are awaiting the presentation and results of the conference. 3. Short squeeze. There seems to be a short squeeze in the making here. Basically, a short squeeze in the making is it's a whole bunch of short interest in this stock. A whole bunch of short sellers are trying to short this stock. And when a whole bunch of short sellers too many of them trying to short a stock, and they all anticipating it'll go down, it don't do nothing but bite them in the ass. It's gonna hurt them and make a big short squeeze on them. And if a short squeeze go into play, this can easily double. So that's what they mean by that. So let's carry on, y'all. Y'all know we like to see what Wall Street got going on. I told y'all they like to hate on these companies in public, but they be buying them in private. So let's see. The one analyst offering 12-month price forecast for Onconova Therapeutics have a median target of 46 cents, with a high estimate of 46 cents, with a low estimate of 46 cents. The median estimate represent a negative 74% decrease from the last price of 181. So they think this thing is way overvalued. The analysts, they say this is way overvalued, basically from their mouth. But let's see what their pockets doing. Boom. Increased position, 19, 4.1 million shares. Decreased positions, 15, 1.4 million shares. Held positions, 8, 8.9 million shares. Total institutional shares, 42, 14.5 million shares. Out of 14.5 million shares, they downsized, they decreased their position 1.4 million. So that's nothing compared to the 13 million shares they still have. New positions, 13, 2.1 million shares. Sold out positions, 704,000 shares. Okay, so that's all I got for y'all this video. I just want to hurry up and put that bang out there for y'all. Go ahead and get that on y'all watch list. Remember how I told y'all to play it, and remember to exit this play if it break 150. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. If you like these type of updates, these type of predictions, these type of hot stocks, you already know you found the right place. Consider joining the family. Don't forget to like. You already know we out, y'all. God bless.